But of course, as you desire to enrich the material, you also want to sort of derive some emotions from the people around you as well.
Yeah.
Yun
Yeah.
po.
Alam mo, Jessie, and the ones, bagay na bagay yung mga kanta nyo ngayon kasi ang dami naghiwalay sa showbiz.
Sobra. Relatable sa lahat. Relatable. What about the other guys?
Go guys.
Okay. Sa akin, marami rin po ako na-experience na heartache eh. Pero minsan ako yung heart. Joke lang.
Nahuli ka, boy.
Huli ka, ha? Okay.
Pero what's interesting is malaman namin na, okay, hindi lang upon writing the song, hindi naman namin ina-expect din na marami yung makaka-relate. Pero nagagulat lang din kami sa sa reaction ng mga tao, sa impact na nagagawa nun. Merong iba na ang mga words talaga nila, your music saved my life. Parang ganun.
Wow.
Oh, wow.
So it become a value na gusto naming i-live out as a group.
Yeah.
To always resonate to the people, to always speak the unspeakable words na hindi nila ma-express. So,
Wow.
yun lang. So, naging guiding light siya for us.
Yeah.
To always speak.
Ang lalim, Jcas.